Want to go down and see?
Well, there's a shopping cart and everything we wanted for Christmas.
What do you think, Luke?
And we got a tent. That's a big tent. I'm never gonna fit in there when I was born.
When you were born?
Yes.
So look, these are the presents Santa got for you.
Oh,
Wow.
you guys must have been great this year.
Whoa.
Maxie, go!
Wow.
Go, Maxie, go! Go get him! Go get him! Go, go, go! Right to you.
Hey.
Luke's in a tent.
Hey.
What do you think? You like it?
Oh, look at Maxie. We're right for the cookies.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Nick.
Look, Nick. Santa wrote you a letter. Nicholas, here's the milk and cookies we left for Santa. He ate them. Look at this letter. It says, look at this letter that Santa left for you. It says, Dear Nick, Luke, and Matt.
Come on, Luke.
Here it is.
Hey.
Look at this.
Oh, I have this cookies.